is, Josh. Let's go catch them and see if they want to race. Going on? You guys want to race that thing? You guys want to race that thing?
Drag race or through the trails?
Huh?
Drag race or through the trails?
Down the road right here. You in the raft?
Yeah, I'll go down the road with you.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, awesome, dude. Hey, Raptor Man on YouTube. What's that? Raptor Man. Raptor Man? Gotcha.
What's going on? Got the 700R here versus the YXZ 1000, Luther, Michigan. We're gonna hit the dirt road here as soon as these cars go by us.
How far are we going? Alright, it don't matter. Alright, I was gonna say we'll be able to tell real quick which one's gonna win.
You got an odometer on that, my buddy? Go down a quarter mile, turn around from here.
Alright, I was gonna say I got a pretty good feeling.
I don't know, them things are quick.
Yeah, they are, but you want to put flag up?
Let them know that I'll call it from down here.
You want a flag up?
Yeah, let them know that I'll call it from down here with my arm. I'll drop my arm.
Okay, buddy.
And there's a cloud of smoke. Yeah, no shit. He smoked him out of the hole. Yeah.
He's got a lot less weight though.
Yeah, that thing still cruised like a motherfucker. I had a hard time catching up to him.
I bet.
I was topped out almost, like fuck. Laying around this next turn, you know, I keep seeing dust.
Yeah.
I don't know, he's about there.
They're about neck to neck right now.
Yeah, it does.
He still got him, dude. He still got him.
Yeah, I did a lot better. I switched to four-wheel drive down there.
Yeah, I would say it looked like you was right there with him on the way back.
Did way. That thing's fast as fuck.
Yeah. I don't know, he's got a little bit of stuff done to it. I don't know exactly what he's got done to it.
I got a 200 exhaust on this.
Yeah.
Dude.
Hell yeah.
Four-wheel drive was way better.
Bro, thank you. He's been looking for somebody to race for a minute.
Shit, I love doing that kind of crap. So